Today, Gumout multi-system tune-up. Can it clean GDI and port fuel injectors with an advanced PEA formula for the deepest cleans, Gumout states. Now, as we look on the directions, Gumout multi-system tune-up says use 1 pint to treat 18 to 21 gallons of all types of fuel. That's gas and diesel. Now, let's take a look at our fuel injector before. Notice the spray pattern. Do you actually think there's any hope? Now, let's go ahead and add this to our fuel system. We'll add our Gumout multi-system tune-up first. Then we'll go ahead and add our gasoline next. This way it mixes it up very well. We'll even go as far as to use 3 times the formula's recommended strength to see if it actually works. So if this won't work, you know it definitely won't work for your car. It's finally time to see if this stuff will actually work. Now guys, make sure you drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. And if you want to see your idea brought to life in the next upcoming video, just subscribe to the channel and comment below. Let me know what it is you want to see tested next. We have a side-by-side comparison. I don't like to give my opinion because I don't promote any of these products. Get ready to get wrenching for the next upcoming video. Thank you for watching.